you doing there? This is Tommy here with Trading with Harmony, and this week I'll be analysing the markets from August the 24th to the 28th. So if this is your first time on the channel, guys, very welcome, and stay tuned for some good tips and analysing the market and the actual previous week gone by. We'll go through all them trades as well. Alright, so cheers. Alrighty then, so here we are in the euro dollar. So last week we were at this point. Let's go into the actual 4 hour. Okay, so last week we were at this point here, and it hit our target, so well done guys if you're on that trade, that's great. So we're at this point, and I was talking about we get a bit of a pullback and then up into our TP level, hitting our 1.1940. So it hit that this week, so that's great. So okay, so we had a good pullback this week, so we can see we had swings down like so. So what we're looking for then is that looking for, actually the market looks like it's temporary on the actual bearish side. So what we're looking for then is, if we can get a bit more of a pullback up into this level, then I'm looking for a pull or a move down to this level, or TP, take profit at 1.1726 in the euro dollar. Okay, so the actual the pound dollar. So we can see here in this ascending channel, in the last few days they were after getting a actual kind of a sideways move here. Okay, so let's go into the actual 4 hours and have a look at our setups. Okay, so last week we were at this point here, we finished here. Okay, and what I was talking about, if we can get actually a slight pullback, well, it didn't actually, but it kind of went sideways for a while, and then it shot past our actually ascending channel, which I was talking about, and then come up and hit our actually TP level, being the 1.3230. so if you're on that move, guys, well done. So okay, so for this week then I'm looking for actually price to actually come back up to the underneath of this part of our ascending channel, and come down for one more time and hit our actually TP at the 1.3014. Okay, so we're the dollar yen. Okay, so let's go into the actual 4 hour. Okay, so last week we were at this point here, we finished at this level. And what I was talking about, if we can get actually price then to actually that will hold in this level and basically shoot down and hit our target, which it did. So it hit our target this week. So if you're on that trade, guys, well done. So it came down and hit our TP at the 105.50. okay, so and then this actually support level here, it come down and hit that again. So let's see then, what I'm looking for this week then is actually for price then to continue up and hit our TP level, take profit at 106.28 in the dollar yen. Okay, so the actual dollar Canadian, so we can see here then it's still in our actual descending channel. So we're still on the actual, the bears are in play. So okay, let's go into the actual 4 hour. So last week we were at this point here. And what I was talking about is that we're looking for a price to come down and hit our TP level, which it did. So it hit our actual 1.3156. So for this week then, I'm looking for a price quite possibly to move back up to this level and then a continuation down and hit our TP level being the 1.3119. Okay, so the pound Aussie then. So for the last few weeks then, it's been pretty much going sideways here. This is what's been going on with the actual pound Aussie. Okay, so let's go into the actual 4-hour and have a look at our setups. So last week we were at this point here. We finished at this point. And what I was talking about was we were looking for price to come down into this structural level at the 1.8086 and then to continue up and hit our TP. So it was only a few pips away from it this week. But so again, I'm still looking for price actually to just quite possibly we'll get a bit more of a pullback into this area and then up again to our TP and hit it this time at the 1.8422 in the pound Aussie. Okay, so the euro yen, so we can see here that it's after hitting a good resistance here, with this resistance here, support, support. So we can see here is at a good structural level at the moment. Okay, so let's go into our actual 4-hour. So last week we were at this point here, and actually our target level was actually up here, but it didn't hit our target this week, so I've moved it down. So what we're looking for then is for price then we'll actually hold in this level here, and then to continue up and hit our actually TP level at the 125.88 in the euro yen. Okay then, so in gold then we can see here that actually price is in the bulls are in play here. So we got a bit of a pullback here near the end of the week, but let's go into the actual 4-hour. So last week we were at this point here, and it hit our TP level, so that's great. If you're on that move, guys, well done. So it hit our TP level here being the 1978, and so this week then coming, what I'm looking for then is for price then to actually hold at this structural level, which it did this week, and the hold for this week coming at 1923 and then continue up and hit our actually TP at 1988 in gold. Okay, so the Dow Jones, so we can still see it's in our ascending channel, so the bulls are in play still, and it just this week it just about come down and hit the actual second part of our ascending channel, and it's still in so we had a bit of a pullback this week. But let's go into the actual 4 hours. So last week we were at this point here, and what I was talking about, if we can get a bit of a pullback into this structural area here, which it did, we got a pullback into the 27,400. So if you're in that move, guys, well done. But so we're still looking for a price to continue up and hit our TP level at the 28,114. So that's it in the Dow, guys. Okay guys, so that's it again for another great week. So it was a great week we had, and lots of our targets got hit, so well done if you're on some of them moves. And so guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give the thumbs up and leave your comments, and I'll get straight back to you. So have a great week guys, and I'll talk to you next week. Take care. Bye. Bye bye. Thanks.